Alright everyone, what is the next Inktober that we're doing? We're going to do 23rd, which is home. Home. Let's just do a quickie. I see a house right there. Let's use that. Why not? It's going to be one of those crooked. Wonky, crooked houses. Nice fun window in the gable here, and perhaps this one's going to be a modern crooked house and have a really big, super big window right in front, because you know, no little tiny rooms for this little house. It's got one big great room right there with a beautiful view of the flowers. Growing next to the house in the field. And whatever this is, it's just pretty. It's cute. It's going to have a little bit of color because I said so, and because I can. Let's give it some. Just needed a pop of color. Then it needs a warm and welcoming red front door. That's not warm and welcoming. That's kind of brown. That didn't come out the color I expected. It mixed with the color that was already on there and make it weird color. That's a little better. Looks brown on the camera, but it's not. It's kind of a purpley red. But that's okay. I'm good with that. It needs a fireplace. Because, you know, all homes need fireplaces. That makes them welcoming. That's fun. I like that. That was super fast. I'm good with super fast. Inktober. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.